Hello guys! Welcome to Ravenclaw's channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about business math and Gen math.
In Gen Math, we're going to tackle you about truth tables, and
For the business math, we're going to tackle about mean, median, mode. So
let's go on Gen Math.
let's go.
So for the Gen Math, we're going to tackle about that truth table. So what's the meaning of truth table? Truth table, a table or chart that is used to summarize all possible combinations of truth values for the given compound proposition. First, the conjunction. P and Q is true when P and Q are both true, otherwise, the conjunction is false. Ang conjunction ay magiging false or zero lamang kapag meron itong zero or false. Halimbawa, true, true, false, false. Sunod naman ay true, false, true, false. Ngayon, hahanapin naman natin ang P and Q. True, true. True, true ay magiging true at true, false ay magiging false. False, true ay magiging false dahil ang P ay false. Sunod naman, false, false. It means false din dahil ang rules, kapag merong isang false, automatically magiging false din or 1.
Good morning, guys. So I'm Matt. So I'm going to teach you about disjunction. So the disjunction is true unless both compound are false. So guys, ang disjunction po, magiging zero lang siya kapag may dalawang zero. And also guys, kapag may sa table po, pag may nakita kayong 1, at least may dalawang 1 or may 1 lang, isang 1 lang, 1 na rin siya. So ngayon guys, tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano yung mismong table ng disjunction. So, alam niyo naman siguro kung paano kinukuha yung antecedent sa congruent or also known as the P and Q. So, bibigyan ko na kayo ng example. Think of 1, 1, 0, 0, saka 1, 0, 1, 0. So, paano nga ba kinukuha yung P or Q? Or antecedent or congruent. So, ganito yun, guys. Yung disjunction, guys, kapag may nakita kayong 1 sa bawat number dyan, it will consider as 1. Pero, kapag may nakita kayong dalawang 0, it will consider as 0. So, parang katulad yan. May 1, 1, and it will consider as 1. And 1, 0, dahil nga may 1, considered as 1 pa rin. And 0, 1, considered pa rin siya as 1 kasi may 1 siya sa congruent. Ngayon guys, may 0, dalawa. So, ang mangyari dyan, 0 pa rin. So, that's it guys. That's how you solve the system.
So guys, ang i-discuss ko ngayon is negation. Negation, not P is false when P is true. Not P is true when P is false. So sa negation, baligtaran lang siya. If yung not P is false, then yung P is true. And if yung not P is true, then P is false. Sa table naman ng negation, yung P natin is 1 and 0. Sa not P, dahil kabaligtaran lang siya, yung 1 magiging 0, then yung 0 magiging 1.
So
Hello guys, I'm Sheila Martinel and I'm going to discuss about conditional. P implies is false only when P is true and Q is false. Otherwise, it is a true. So, yung magiging false lang daw yung statement if yung congruent is false. So, we will make this table. So, yung conditional, mahalintulad lang natin to sa parang buy one take one. So, pag binigyan ka ng isa, pag bumili ka ng isa, tapos pag bumili ka ng isa, okay. Tapos pag bumili ka ng isa, pero hindi ka binigyan ng isa, hindi siya okay, kaya 0. Tapos, pag hindi ka bumili, pero binigyan ka, okay siya. So, magiging true. Tapos, kapag hindi ka pumili, tapos hindi ka rin binigyan, so, okay lang din, kaya, ito na yung magiging kalabasan ng table. So, yun lang, guys.
So guys, this is biconditional statement. A biconditional statement is a statement that can be written in the form of P and only Q. This means, if P, then Q, and if Q, then P. So that's the meaning, guys. So by conditional statement, we're going to this. For the statement P, 5 plus 5 equals 10. And for the statement Q is 2 times 5 equals 10. Now you think about it. I could give in these two statements, if 5 plus 5 equals 10, then 2 times 5 equals 10, and that the fact could be true. I can also state it in the other direction. If 2 times 5 equals 10, then 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now if I can take both these statements, reverse them, it's the same result to the conditional statement. This is what we call biconditional statement. We can say this 5 plus 5 equals 10 if and only if 2 times 5 equals 10, or we can say on the other words 2 times 5 equals 10 if and only if 5 plus 5 equals 10. If we write it symbolically, I'm going to have a P and a two-handed arrow and then Q. So the arrow points in both directions, both to the P and Q. Meaning, basically, I'm taking the regular conditional statement, putting them together. One word on the other word, and so combining into a biconditional statement and getting when this is usually doesn't said, like P if and only Q. So we can erase it. And here's the truth table looks like. So have the values for P, the values for Q, and the values for P if and only Q. Okay, so once again, P and Q might be both be true, or P might be true and Q might be false. P could be false and Q could be true, and the last option would be different false. Okay, well, if they're both true, if this is the true 5 plus 5 equals 10, and the true for Q 2 times 5 equals 10, then we're going to have a true statement. If I know that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 and 2 times 5 is equal to 10, and if I know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10, I can expect that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, when I have the statement true and the other statement is false, so in other words, I know that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, but it turns into 2 times 5 is not equal to 10. That's not gonna be my expectation, so that is false. In the same way, if I find out the 5 plus 5 is not equal to 10, but 2 times 5 is equal to 10, then I'm going to have a false statement. So if either of your P or Q is false, you're going to have a false. If they both false, it's going to be a true. If 5 plus 5 did not equal 10, I have no reason to expect 2 times 5 is equal 10. Think of the other direction. If 2 times 5 did not equal 10, I have no reason to believe that 5 plus 5 will equal 10. So that is true. So my biconditional P if and only Q is going to be true. Okay? So that's it all, guys. Thanks for watching and God bless.
Hi guys! My name is Pat and I'm going to discuss about mean, median, mode in business math. So, let's start. Mean. First, i-add muna natin lahat to. So, let's start. So, ang sagot is 319. Pero, hindi pa to yung final answer niya. Yun nga, i-divide pa natin siya kung ilan itong mga numbers na nandito. So, 9. Ngayon, i-divide natin siya. So, kagaya ng lumabas is 35.4444, etc. So, ang gagawin natin, kukuha lang tayo ng dalawa dyan. So, magiging 35.44. Ito yung mean. Sa median naman, una, ipagkakasunod-sunod muna natin yung mga numbers na to. So, let's start. Ngayon, napagkasunod-sunod na natin to, kapag sinabing median, kung alin yung pinakagitna dito. So, di ba, 9 nga sila. So, ano nga ba yung pinakagitna nila? So, hatiin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. First half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second half. So, ito yung nasa gitna, yung pinakagitna. So, ito yung median. 35. Ano nga ba natin malalaman kapag mode? Sa mode, ang lagi nyo nang tatandaan is kung alin yung may pinakamaraming kaparehas na number. So, dito, alin nga ba may pinakamaraming kaparehas na number? 35. So, the mode is 35. So,
May natutunan po kayo ngayon sa today's video about GenMath and Business Math. So, sana magamit ito sa mga math purposes nyo. Lalo na yung mga viewers natin ngayon sa this video. Sana matulungan namin kayo sa mga math problems nyo. And also, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. And kung gusto nyo pa ng mga math tutorials, please subscribe to Ravenclaw's channel.